So, Bitcoin and blockchain. Blockchain actually has started since 1991 to timestamp digital documents so that it is not possible to backdate them. However, this technology hasn't been in use till 2009 when the Bitcoin started to appear and lots of business was going on. So Bitcoin started in 2009, and after that time blockchain started to be popular because started to be used in economy as well. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is simply a cryptocurrency that provides a safe money exchange without a third party. This technology, the Bitcoin, is using heavily the blockchain. The blockchain is distributed ledger actually that is completely open to everybody in the network, in the peer-to-peer network. So we will see how it works. It is actually distributed system. That distributed system relies on chaining a set of blocks of information. Every block consists of three main important things. First, the data itself. That data is written inside, in the block. And after blocking or backing the data inside, it is hashed so that we have a unique ID for that block. And this is what we call it, the hash for the block. Moreover, it will be later attached to the chain or the rest of the blocks using what we call it, the previous hash. How this is used in the blockchain? Simply we fill the data. For example, we say this amount of money is sent from X person to Y person and the amount is $100, for example. Now this data is hashed and a simple function, hash function, is applied on it to provide you the hash ID of that block or the unique ID, which is the fingerprint of that block. Once you have that ID, it is now ready to be attached to the previous block in the chain. That unique ID, as I said, is mainly built based on the data inside the block. So any change for that data inside the block can cause a change in the ID itself. And this what can make a break in the chain if, for example, somebody hacked part of that data, because simply the ID will change. Now, how the blockchain is working and how that distributed system in general is utilized. Blockchain is a peer-to-peer network actually, or relying on a peer-to-peer infrastructure network, where people or entities in the system have a same copy of the blockchain at their entities or at their edge devices. And any change at one of these entities can cause a difference in the network, in the copy that exists in the other peers, and this directly raise a flag or an alarm that there is something wrong happening. So simply it is working in a peer-to-peer communication. The users are connected directly to each other so that they exchange the data safely as well.